Hey, welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about user settings. Ricoh GR3, GR3X, we have U1, U2, U3 on the mode dial. I know a lot of people don't use them, and you really should be using them. So in this first episode about this, I'm going to show you how to save them, how to rename them, how to recall them. And then in future episodes, I'm going to show you different recipes that you can actually stick into these user settings. I tell you, it's awesome. Let's go to the computer and get started. This is the procedure for saving presets on a Ricoh GR3 or Ricoh GR3X. So before you save, actually make sure that your camera is set exactly how you want it to be set, because these presets save pretty much everything. The first thing you need to do is press menu and then go to the customize settings and then across to save settings. Press OK. Then choose the box that you want to save the preset into. In this case, I'm going to choose box 4. You're now prompted to enter a name. This name can be up to 32 characters long, and for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to use A, S, D, F. Then tap on the return key. Don't press OK, tap on the return key. It's now going to ask you if you want to use this preset you just saved in either U1, U2 or U3. If you want to do so, choose the one that you want and then press OK. But you don't have to. In my case, I'm not going to do so. I will just press exit to come out. It says data process completed, and now you notice that my new preset is saved inside of box 4, ASDF. Now I'll show you how to assign or to recall the presets that we just made. So once again, go down to customize settings, and there we go, across. And now it's going to be recall. Press OK. And there we have U1, U2, U3. So you tell the camera which one you want to use. I'm going to use U2. Click OK. And now it's a very simple process. Just choose the one that you want to go into U2. So I'm going to use the one I made, just ASDF. Click that. Data process completed. Click OK. And then you can see there now that inside of user 2, we indeed have that preset or that box. In the next one, I'll show you how to rename and then how to delete. If you want to rename one of your boxes, just go to customize settings, across, and then rename. Choose the one that you want to rename. In this case, I'll rename the ASDF one. Click OK. Then you can actually just start typing. So let me go down. This time I'll call it QWERTY. QWERTY. Why not? And then click enter. And it's as simple as that. It's changed. If you want to delete one, like I do now, because this one is just garbage, you have to go back out to the menu and then go down to delete settings. Don't worry, this just is dealing with the boxes. It's not going to delete anything else on your camera. So go to delete settings, scroll down to the box that you want to delete and press OK. And then just click execute. And you will find now that box 4 is empty. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, because in subsequent episodes I'm going to be giving you tried and tested recipes that work really fantastically well with the Ricoh GR3.